Great. Sport will bring you the answer later on, but first the top story tonight.
A South Armagh man who's awaiting trial on a charge linked to the Omagh bombing has appeared in court today accused of 5 new offences.
One of the charges is related to a bomb attack in Banbridge a fortnight before the Omagh atrocity. Ivan Little reports.
Sean Gerard Hoey from Molly Road in Jonesborough was brought in a convoy of police cars to Craigavon Magistrates Court from Antrim PSNI station, where he was formally charged last night with 5 new offences. The new charges relate to plotting 3 bomb attacks in the run-up to the August 1998 bombing of Omagh, which claimed 29 lives. In September, 34-year-old Hoey faced 15 charges, one of them linked to the police investigation into the Omagh bomb. The unemployed electrician was charged with having a timer unit used in the attack. Today, Hoey was charged with conspiring to cause the explosion which injured 35 people in Banbridge just 2 weeks before the Omagh bombing. He was also charged with possession of a £1,500 bomb found on a trailer in a lane at Blackwater Town in July 1998. Hoey was also accused of conspiring to cause an explosion at Armagh police station 2 months earlier. A detective said that after he was charged last night, Hoey replied not guilty, but he said he believed he could connect him to the charges. In reply to questions from a defence lawyer, the detective said that Hoey had cooperated fully with the police and emphatically denied involvement in any of the matters with which he was charged. The detective said the case was a complicated one involving a lot of documentation, but he said it was hoped to have a file with the Director of Public Prosecutions by the end of May. On Tuesday, Hoey had been brought before a magistrate in Lisburn as police sought and were granted more time to re-interview him after he'd been returned to their custody from prison. South Armagh victims campaigner Willie Fraser was in court for today's 4-minute hearing in Craigavon. Hoey, who sat with his head bowed in the back of the police car which took him from court back to Maghaberry prison, was remanded until the 1st of April to appear in court again via video link. Ivan Little, UTV Live, Craigavon.